Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do so, we can simply open the quick access like so, and then over here you should be able to find Do Not Disturb button. If you press on it, then you will simply enable the DND mode. However, you can also go to the settings in order to customize the DND mode a little bit. So if you go to notifications in the settings, then over here we have Do Not Disturb. And if you select it, then you can enable and disable DND. We also have for how long, so you can choose to enable it for 1 hour or more, of course. You can also choose to ask every time instead of having it set to a specific time. And if you enable it, then of course it will be enabled until this option is selected for this specific time, or until you turn it off by yourself. You can also schedule Do Not Disturb, so if you want to have it enabled from time to time, from specific time or even day, then you can adjust it over here. So here you can select days, or you can select which days you want the DND mode to be enabled. You can also set the time, from which time to which, so you have start and end, of course, over here. And that's pretty much it. You can also create multiple schedules, and you can enable the schedule by tapping on the slider on the right side. And then here you can choose what is allowed during DND mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.